Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive machine out with me. Now this has basically been converted all the way over to a VXL model. It's now running Badlands wheels and tires. It has got the low center of gravity chassis. It's running the VXL 3S ESC and 3500 kV Valenian motor. Has a bunch of other goodies, a bunch of aluminum upgrades for the steering, also steering belt crank here. RPM arms, that's the most recent thing I did. I was trying to think what was the most recent thing I did. So RPM suspension arms all the way around. And right before doing that, I also hooked up a TSM transmitter and receiver that came out of my 1/16 E Revo. Because this started as a brush version, started as the cheapest Traxxas Slash you could buy, so it was $189.95. I built it into what it is today. But yeah, I swapped this out of my VXL 1/16 E Revo. So now we have TSM and all that good stuff. So we're gonna jump right into running this thing and see if we can break it. All right, I'm gonna give it some throttle, guys, and we're gonna hit this ramp. Well, it's not a ramp, we're gonna hit this snow pile. Ease on the throttle. Ooh. All right, guys, how about a bit of a launch? Ready, get set, go. It almost starts to lift the tires up once it gets traction. Let's bring it past again, guys. Ooh. Whoa. Almost got a wheelie in. We're gonna attempt to hit this snow pile once again, easing on the throttle. If I give it too much, I'll spin out. A little bit more. Ooh, I almost fell. I want to get as much speed as I can get, guys. That's how slick it is, guys. See how far that just slid? Ooh. If only I could get some traction. I'm gonna try to hit this ginormous snow pile again. Right now I'm spinning. You really can't give it like hardly any throttle. Now, whoa, but we landed it. All right, guys, ready? Get set, go. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos.